Good morning, everybody. Thought I would show a quick video of the beginning of my shop expansion to prep it more for woodworking. This is the previous portion. I tore out most of the bathroom that existed. Right there, where the insulation stops, that's about where the new part starts. You can tell the difference in the studs. That drain goes out into a gray water system. My commercial ice maker is going to go there. I have framed up this wall. This section right here is 20 feet long. Primarily, I'm planning for lumber storage. There's one outlet set to wire there for the ice machine. I threw one outlet in just for good measure. Everything's done on 16-inch centers. It's about 7 feet tall. I go a little bit taller. I just put the full 8 sheet of plywood up. Everything's anchored down well with ram sets. There is a metal pillar here. I went ahead and framed it in. Might be able to hang some things off of it once it's framed. Past this will be where I'm actually planning to install the J-Bates miter saw station. It specs out at about 14 feet. This section's right at 16 feet long. So I've placed outlets based on where his cabinets go. There's an empty spot there. There's another empty spot there. So if any items go underneath there that require power, I went ahead and put in connections for that. This is actually going to be the section where the miter saw will sit. And the rest of it is just empty. That's going to be my tie-in to existing power. And additionally, all of this is about to be insulated. I've got space, as you can see, between the 2x4 and the exterior wall, so I don't have to use 2x4 depth insulation. I'm actually going with an R19, which is made for 2x6 construction, which is what I did in the other section that I sheathed with OSB. That's pretty much the end result of what this is going to look like on my left, except I'm going to do a higher grade of wood, and I'm not going to paint it. There to the left is the next section, kind of teasing it for right now. I'll do more on that later. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Thank you.